The next question is, after praying Salah, I prefer to stay in my position so that the angels ask for forgiveness for me. But there are many people around who try to move me or go over me. And when I do not move, they find it rude. What should I do?
Stay in your position. Who dares to move you? What are you, akhi? Transferable items? Anybody who comes and try to move you, go pray anywhere. Well, why you want to come to this spot of mine? This is ridiculous. No, this seems that you have low self-esteem. You think that everybody is looking at you. You hear people, you think that they're talking about you. So this is your shaitan giving you OCD, that people want to jump over me, they're gonna kill me. Pray and let the angels pray on you, inshallah, and make dua for you. I'll make dua for you as well.
The next question is, when I visit my father's grave, his grave is in the middle of the cemetery. So while walking towards it, I pass by other graves and I make dua by facing Qibla. Should I go to the grave to make dua, or can I do it outside?
No, you can do dua for anyone who's engraved, who is buried, whether he's your father or anyone else, without the need to face the Qibla. There is no need to face the Qibla, but if you do face the Qibla, make the grave between you and the Qibla, and you can raise your hands and make dua. So why do you want to make it outside? You're not praying salat. Salat is not permissible to be prayed in a cemetery, in a graveyard. Salat that includes bowing and prostration, ruku' and sujood. This is totally prohibited. But to pray in the dua and to invoke Allah Azza wa Jalla, oh Allah forgive them, oh Allah have mercy on them, oh Allah expand their graves, this is permissible to be done as you're walking. And this is the dua we say, Assalamu alaikum dara qawmi mu'minin, antum as-sabiquna wa nahnu lahiqun, nasal Allah lana wa lakum al-afiyah, Allahumma la tahrimna ajrahum wa la taftinna ba'dahum waghfir lana wa lahum, and so forth. No problem.